Windows 11 update causing problems on your PC? Freezing, slow performance, or random errors? Don't worry, you can uninstall the update and fix it in minutes. First, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Update History. Scroll down and select Uninstall Updates. Find the most recent update, click Uninstall, and confirm. If you don't see the update there, press Windows plus R, type Ctrl, and press Enter. Open Programs, click View Installed Updates, choose the update causing issues, and uninstall it. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick Windows tips. New videos are posted regularly to help you fix common PC problems fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.